One of the changes that I've made to classes in Vectorworks 2025 is this ability to duplicate and edit. So in the past you duplicate the class, then you'd have to right click and edit it, and now this has been replaced with something else. So let's just undo that. So now we can right click, we can duplicate and edit straight away. So this is going to be my millwork. This is for my doors and drawers, so it's my door fronts, and I want them to be solid white. I want them to be thin line, and that's good. And that's a great way. So now we can just duplicate and edit them straight away. If I had something to do with the kick, for example, I might duplicate and edit this. This would be my door and kick. So I might want this to be solid white again, but I might want this to be slightly thicker line weight. Okay, and so it's a really quick way now of just going through and making those changes.